Open the school app NKPHS. Now click on academic section. In this section, now to proceed for exam, you have to click on examination portal. Now you have to select your class, set your date, exam date and the subject. Select your class. Suppose I am selecting here class 4. As a demo purpose, I am using the date 12 June and as demo subject I am using mathematics. You have given already the schedule of the exam, so based on the schedule you have to choose date and subject. Now click on proceed. After that you can see this type of window where the details of the exam will be shown. Half yearly examination, subject mathematics, full marks 40, time 1 hour 30 minutes. Instruction has been given. One of the main instruction is that do not minimize the app or do not press back button once exam has started. It is one of the main and important instruction. Once you have clicked on the start examination button below, you should not minimize the app, or you should not also press the back button, because if you do this type of minimization or home button pressing, home button and so on, it sometimes what will happen, that is you cannot re-enter inside the exam. So be aware of that. Then you have to enter your own name. Next you have to enter your roll number. I am putting here 1 as a demo and your name as a demo. You must have to put your own name, full name and roll number, correct roll number, because this roll number and name gives your attendance also. So based on this attendance your examination copy will be checked. If it is wrong, your copy will not be checked. So be careful about that. After that you will see 2 more fields, room number and password. What is room number and what is password? These 2 will be given to your WhatsApp group, WhatsApp class group before the exam starts. Suppose the exam starts from 6 PM, then the room number and password will be given to you within 5:45 PM. It can take maximum 5:40, sometimes it can be given within 5:30 also. Suppose I am entering the room number as 1 as a demo purpose and the password 4 capital E 1312. It is one of the important thing to be considered that there will be a capital letter, capital English letter inside the password field. So you must have to enter in capital form. If you enter in small form, that is 4E in small letter, it cannot proceed, that is you cannot proceed. So you must have to enter all the credentials as given. After then it is completed, these fields are completed, so you can ready to start your examination. Click on start examination. Now this type of window is opened and our loading is going on. It shows the question paper is downloading. Wait to download. It depends on the network connection. The network, if the connection is too good, then it will be okay, that is it will download fast, otherwise it can take more time. Okay, it is downloaded, and that is you can see your question here. You can zoom in, zoom out, and also you can use portrait option, landscape option also. But you should not press the home button or back button. You cannot press the back button and you should not press the home button, because if you press home button it will be minimized and you cannot re-enter in the examination. So be careful about that. Now you have to, if the exam is over, that is you have already written all your answers, then you can click on end examination. And before that I have to say 2 more words, that is there is a date, Thursday 10 June 7:47:53. It is the time showing, that is when the exam is ongoing, the current time of your mobile, that is, you can see here it is 7:48 and here it is also 7:48:05 seconds. So the same current time is showing here. And next one is refresh paper option. If you are getting any network related issue, that is, if the question is not loaded, the answer is, that is, the question is not loaded and you can see some error in your question field, that is here, you can click on refresh paper to reload the paper. Okay, so after that, I think it is let us consider that it is complete, the exam is over, you have already written all answers. Then you have to click on end examination, and there also a password will be asked from you. So you have to enter the same password what you have already given at the starting of the exam, that is 4 capital E 1 3 1 2. It is given at the start of the exam, so you have to give the same password here to proceed. If you enter wrong password here, you cannot exit the exam. So you have to enter the same password and click on exit exam. So you have already exited. So the exam is over, and that is, your exam is over, no problem then. And this is the overall procedure. One of the most important, I have to say that if you exit your exam before your exam ends, that is, you have to write some answers, but you have clicked on end exam to re-enter the exam, that you cannot re-enter. That is, I am clicking on start exam, you cannot, that is, you can see that there are error. So while your exam is over and it is totally over, then you should click on end examination. Otherwise you cannot re-enter the exam once you have exit. Okay, so thank you. It is the overall procedure of the exam of NKPHS school.